Welcome users. This e-content may help you to learn the OpenOffice spreadsheet related functions, particularly the statistical parts. OpenOffice is the free source. You can use it for your research and other academic related activities. Particularly the researchers who are doing the research, the MPhil scholars and PhD level research scholars can use the spreadsheet with the help of add-in statistical tool for performing the statistical analysis. Let me show how to perform a parametric and non-parametric tests in the OpenOffice spreadsheet. You are watching Apache's OpenOffice spreadsheet. It gives lot of options. The sample file I have included the country-wise documents output sample have been taken. For the analysis purpose, you are observing how to perform one-way Anova for the select data. See, the data need to be entered in the categorical format. See, I create a new sheet where I paste the data. The group A and group B columns need to be selected. The group A contains the data in a categorical format. See, I select one-way Anova where you need to select the columns and the group A and group B need to be selected to perform the analysis. This is stacked data. Understand? See, you are watching the output where you can observe the basic measures for the select data and the Anova results also have been generated. See, the homogeneity of variance tests also have been generated by this add-in tool. The test for equal variance help us to proceed the parametric test. See, any parametric test need to be conducted with more care. Without normalization test, the researcher should not conduct parametric test. This is basic rule. Hope you are aware of it. Here, the test results indicates the significance. For Levin's test. Anova test results are different. It didn't support your alternative hypothesis. The results obtained from one-way Anova accept your null hypothesis and reject the alternative hypothesis. The assumptions we made before conducting the parametric. See, one more test, the non-parametric. We are going to conduct more than 19,500 records available. See, the total number of data. They need to be arranged in a categorical format. They are categorized data. The raw data should not be used. They are stacked data. The add-in tool support the stacked format. See, I set the headers. If you select the non-parametric chi-square test, for example, it doesn't require the normalization test. You can apply to measure the associated relationship between the two variables. See, it takes some time because processing 19,500 data needs little bit of time. OpenState add-in is processing the data now. See, the data output has been generated by one. The first table shows the complete frequency distribution along with the column-wise percentage. Watch the total number of data. See, the record total number is matched with the raw data row numbers. See, followed by you can find the chi-square test results. The chi-square values with the probability value have been explored. From the value you can conclude your hypothesis that null hypothesis is rejected, alternative hypothesis is accepted. So it helps to conduct the non-parametric test. Moreover, the comparison also you can make. The posterior eye comparison between the variables you can conduct. You can easily transfer the output into the OpenOffice writer document. You are watching it. See, you can make the alignments like this. The fonts you can change. The colors you can fix. The left alignment and right alignment you can make as per your demands. See, they have been neatly structured. Now I change the color of the column headers. See, the left alignment and the right alignments are possible. So it offers a lot of features. In this way, the researchers can structure the table. See, the output generated by any statistical package cannot be used as it is. It needs to be restructured so as you can fit it in your document. See, I can transfer the data into OpenOffice writer where you can set, you can edit as per your requirements. See, I remove all the colors, background and everything. You are observing the black and white raw format. You can put the headings for the table like this. The neat report drafting is the final step. Of course, the design must be attractive. The researcher should be familiar how to structure the document in a right way, so as they can make it as a good. The analysis and the document editing are two different concepts. In the analysis part, you need statistical skills. As I said, in many of the research I have seen, the researchers mechanically applied the parametric test to prove their hypothesis. They are using the parametric test without applying the rules. The test for equal variances need to be conducted first. It helps to measure the normalization of the data set. If the data results are positive, you can go for parametric test, particularly Anova. It is robust. But often this test is blindly applied by many researchers. So first you need to conduct the normalization test. Depends on the data set. You can use Levin's test, Anderson-Darling, Bartlett test. There are Sapir-Whorf. There are a lot of tests exist, but you must be aware of the rules related to these tests. Some test demands the large set of data. So there are a lot of statistical books available. You can go through it to develop the fundamental skills. So without conducting the homogeneity of variance test, if you perform the parametric model test, your conclusion would be wrong. It will lead you to make wrong decisions. You may or may not accept the null hypothesis, because based on the probability you are going to accept or rejecting the hypothesis. So when the test is not suitable, if your data set is not fulfilled the basic demands of homogeneity of variance test, then the results you obtained from the parametric models will not help you to make the right conclusion. You must be aware of it. Of course, everybody is not a statistical expert, but the basics of statistics and the fundamental concepts need to be developed. If you want to be a good researcher, if you want to do good research, if you want to use the statistical tests for your decision making purposes, you should have some fundamental skills in the statistics parts. Without aware of these, you cannot make a right conclusion. So as a decision maker, you need to draw a valid conclusion that would be possible when you use the right test in a right way. So you can use the OpenOffice for your research activities. A few tests are available, but as I said, the data need to be stacked. The data types, the categorical data, the nominal type and ordinal type, the scale type, there are different data types available. Each and every packages, they use different data type sets. You can find categories in one package, you can find string in another type, you can find alphabet in another statistical package. These are all the localization of the concerned packages, but the aim of the package is same. But the thing, the user of the package need to understand how the data has been structured. Without understanding the data type, statistical test cannot be performed. Hope this would be helpful to you. Don't forget, practice makes you the best. Wish you all the best.